Hey, thanks for checking out viaGlamour. My name is Kira, and I'm going to share a quick demo of how you can create your own makeup line with our app. With us, you can design a variety of products like vegan liquid lipsticks, natural moisturizing creams, skincare products, and so much more. We stay inclusive by creating products that only use high-end raw ingredients. You'll find vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free formulas that are always made in Canada. We don't outsource to China. Customize each product with your own logo that will get inked onto products as they get made for customers. And you can get really creative with all the design options that are available. Use any colors you want, design the full surface area of the product, and optionally create your own shipping box for the perfect unboxing experience. And then we'll take your formulated products and ship them directly to customers. And this is the best part of viaGlamour. You can own a beauty brand without having to do all the difficult logistics work by yourself. Because honestly, buying shipping labels, packing orders on the weekends, and wrangling messy website code isn't very fun. Focus on what makes you competitive and let viaGlamour do the rest. Everything like product photography, swatches, and low-cost shipping are all included by default to give your brand an enormous head start. Give customers more ways of supporting your business by opening an online store with natural products that you don't have to purchase ahead of time or ship yourself. You can get started for free by installing our app. Take your time designing each of the products and trying your first sample whenever you're ready. We can't wait to see what you create with us. Thanks, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.